We are rushing right now, trying to finish up this Brabus 700 G63 2025 model. This is build number 5 for us. Still on the rack because we have a tremendous amount of things to finish up. Luis is getting the front top LED bar ready to install. The wheels are on, the rocket exhaust is on. So right now, literally just doing the top. We are doing minor little details. I just put the emblems on the back, and then this car is gonna be towed out of here straight to its new owner. The special one features on this car is the rocket exhaust, which is supposed to come on 900 rocket only out of Brabus, Germany, but Brabus released only a few of them to select authorized dealers only, and we're one of them. So we have the rocket exhaust on there. It does have the 700 tune package on there. It is the matte black factory colorway, so this is kind of resembling the first one we did, but it has different wheels, obviously, and the wheels, as you can see, it has a red pinstripe around it with a red B in the middle. So we went, you know, it had a little bit of details on this one different than some of the other ones, but at the end of the day, this is probably the spec everybody wants. It has the red interior, really, really nice. So we're gonna try to finish it up and hopefully film the end result. If we don't, we're sorry about that, but you know, customers first, we gotta finish this car, it gotta go. We can't film everything done, but yeah, there you have it. Guys, so this Aventador needed an oil reset and check tire pressure. Car came in about 5 minutes ago. We already did the reset procedure. We're gonna check tire pressure and it's done. This is something you can't go anywhere with your Lamborghini Aventador and get this done within 5 to 10 minutes. So again, even the simplest thing, something that doesn't even cost money. You have this car, you're scared to go to a dealer, whatever, bring it by and we can help you out. Save money, time frame, convenience, all that stuff. All right, we got a Maybach right here. This car actually, we did some previous work to it, and the customer likes to change his car every so often, but he always has crazy strict deadlines. So this car basically came on a Monday, and he wants the car done by a Thursday. That is including a full rewrap. We removed the two-tone wrap we had on there before. Obviously, we took the car apart as well. You see the bumpers are off and stuff. But we are wrapping this car in a two-tone color, satin white with the satin Nardo gray. Both of these rolls have to be laminated as well because they don't make actually a satin Nardo gray color. The top half is being wrapped, the bottom half is being wrapped in satin white. And now the customer wants to do door jambs. So he tacked on door jambs on there. We're gonna have to do satin white door jambs by Thursday. We also took the wheels off the car because the wheels he wants to repaint. We had done some crazy chrome and black scheme on them before. Now he wants to make the black part of it satin white to match it. It's all hand labor, hand painted inside our paint booth. It's not something we're sending out. We also have to do new emblems, new Maybach emblems with the wiring, all that stuff. So it's a lot of work to be doing in 3-4 days time. But this is what we do here at RDB. We accommodate to our customers' needs when they need something for deadlines, when they need something outrageous, when they need, you know, anything, we get it done for them. So stay tuned for this one.
How much much did you lose yesterday?
A lot.
Like,
That's his fault.
Not my fault. Whoever gave you the stupid picks.
You got it?
4 out of 1? No, one right out of 5.
out of 5.
What kind of shit is that, bro?
Did your 7?
but
Did your 7?
my players were this far away from hitting. Like this.
Devin Booker's out.
Did your...
Leave the rest in there. It's fine. See what happens. What's our payout now?
1,600.
Okay. Let's see what happens. I want to see that list. I really want to know
For
what happens.
$25, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
Changing the engine? So what are you doing? Changing it? Ted's over there just looking at an engine and saying the engine is toast, and he's just staring at it. So I don't know if he thinks he's gonna change the engine while we're here, but I think he's just playing us.
He's drinking a Burger King soda.
He's playing us.
But it's crazy to see because we got like two older Audis right here that are both for mechanical jobs. One has a blown engine. This one, I have no idea what it is, truthfully, but it is obviously some type of mechanical work. We have a new G-Wagon over here that is completely apart for a wrap. We have the Maybach there. We got a green URUS. This is a pretty cool URUS. It had a check engine light. The dealer actually couldn't figure it out. We figured it out. It was the evap situation. We had to order a part. This is actually becoming a common problem on the URUSs, so we're gonna be doing a lot more of those because this is, this is a 2020, I believe. So the older URUSs are having a few little things we gotta do. So we're doing everything here. And then we have this pretty badass C63, and we got Penny right here. Fuck! No!
You're done.
You're dead. Sorry guys, what are you doing?
Hey, it has the classical t-shirt.
To start this car.
So why are you in the trunk? What's
I
there?
need to put in charge the battery.
Classical t-shirt.
The battery
Alert.
to charge it.
Yeah, but with the engine's blown up already, no?
It's kind of weird. Fucking car. Yeah.
Are you just doing that to relax, or are you actually doing
Yeah,
something?
that too.
Yeah?
I ordered it from a spare place because the one it has
Oh, okay.
really bad. So
Okay. Good job. Let's see what happens. Bye. Penny!
Support her back.
Okay, I got it. Hello, Penny. Don't touch me. You make out with the tank. All right, guys. Special guest star again, Penny. Very cute. Okay, don't do that. Thanks. She makes out with everybody here, so it's not gonna do that. But here we have a Rolls Royce. This is an older classic, and it's completely wrapped up. It looks weird, but the whole vehicle has been primered. This is our primer, as you can see on there. Kind of looks like a Nardo gray wrap, but it's actually a primer. This body was riddled with dents, holes, some rust, all kinds of stuff, and we had to fix all that obviously before primer. So now you can see it's primered. The body looks super smooth, right, Penny? Really smooth body, and we're gonna be sanding all that and then painting it. So that's pretty cool to see. We have also other cars. We're standing actually under a Technica that needs a lot of work, and we have a crashed, pretty much brand new Honda right here too. So it's a pretty crazy day at RDB, but this is every day for us.
That shit looks nice. A moment of truth here. We are almost done with this amazing Maybach. This was a pretty cool project actually. Customer had this vision that we're gonna do a two-tone wrap. The bottom side of the car is satin white, and the top is satin gray white, which looks really cool. Came out better than we thought. Also, we had to do the light up emblems again. So that's done. We painted his wheels, the windows of the wheels and everything, satin white to match the wrap. It's gonna look really cool when this car is done. We can't wait for the final results. So we're about to put it, we're installing everything now. We're doing the bumper, wheels and tires will be on, mounted and balanced. A nice detail, and customer's gonna be around 4:30 to 5 o'clock.